Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadgetgig. Recently we showed you a couple of Apple Watch Ultra inspired watches, and today we have one more from Fireboltt and it's the Supernova. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and we'll show you if it's worth buying. And guys, I can tell you right now that there are few issues with this smartwatch, so do watch this video till the end. So here is a box of the Supernova, and in the front, we can see it's a Bluetooth calling smartwatch which comes with the 1.78-inch AMOLED display. And here you can see that this watch is also heavily inspired by Apple Watch Ultra. At this side of the box we have some key features such as Bluetooth calling, its IP67 water resistant, 368 by 448 pixel resolution, inbuilt mic and speaker for calling, Spo2 monitoring, voice assistant, heart rate tracking, and you get the inbuilt games. At the back we have some more key features and the info about the companion app DFIT, which is available for both Android and iOS platform. The MRP on the box is Rs 18,999, however, the launch price of this watch is just Rs 3499. Now, let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top first we get the user manual, and here we have the detailed info about the features of this watch. And then we get the smartwatch itself. And guys, this is the black variant, and apart from that, this watch is available in a few different colors. And again, without any doubt, it definitely looks like an Apple Watch Ultra. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we get in the box. So we get the welcome card, and here we have the info about the warranty registration. And then we get these few gift vouchers, and then we get the magnetic charging cable which connects at the back of the watch. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Fireboltt Supernova is the upgraded version of the Gladiator, and in this watch the main difference is the AMOLED display. Now looking at the design, as mentioned earlier, I would not say it's a clone watch, but it's heavily inspired by Apple Watch Ultra. You have the similar flat screen design along with the crown, and the straps of this watch is also quite similar. But unlike the straps we get in the Fireboltt Gladiator, in this watch you can deattach the straps. In terms of the build quality, though the overall build quality of the watch is good, but the screen edges of this watch are a little sharp, which doesn't feel that good. Apart from that, the metal body of this watch looks good, and this watch is also lightweight, and it feels good on the wrist, and also it does look eye-catchy. In terms of the overview, we have the 1.78-inch AMOLED display in this watch, and here at the right side, we have the crown button along with the bottom shortcut button, which is by default set to workout. On the other side, we have the speaker grill, and here at the back, we have the sensors along with the charging point. Now, let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So for pairing, we need the app DFIT, and here, just select the watch from the list. And that's it, your watch is now paired with your phone. And guys, as it's not a single BT chip smartwatch, you have to add the audio BT device ID for Bluetooth calling separately. So our watch is now paired with our phone. Now let me show you the watch features. So first of all, the AMOLED display of this watch looks quite sharp, and you get deep blacks, and the colors are also vibrant. And I find the viewing angles of this watch pretty good. In terms of the features, here we have the watch face, and you can change the watch face by using the crown. And here you have the default watch faces. You can also long press on the screen to change the watch faces. About the gestures and controls, swiping down from the top will show you the quick settings, and here we have the calling function, vibration settings, torch, theater mode, weather, and the settings of the watch. Swiping up from the bottom will show you the notification history, and swiping left from the right side will show you the quick cards. And here we have the step count, sleep, heart rate, call functions, and much more. And guys, you can also edit this list from here. To access the main menu, you would need to swipe right from the left side. And here we have first the recently used features along with the weather info on the top. And if you swipe right again, you can see the main menu. And guys, this is the grid view, and here you can see there is no lag in this menu, and also you can use the crown to zoom in or zoom out. You can also change the menu style to a list view. And here as well, there is no lag in the menu, and the touch response is good. So in the menu, first we have the steps, and here you can see the step count and the other details such as calories burned and distance walked. And then we have the phone call, and here you have the calling functions. So you get the recent calls, dial back to make a new phone call, and then we have the contacts which you can sync through the app. And about the performance, we will talk in a moment. After that we have the heart rate, and the detection in this watch is fast, and also you can see the continuous heart rate data right from the watch. After the heart rate, we have the sleep, and here you can see the last night's sleep details. And guys, on this watch, you can only see the light and deep sleep timing, and you can see more details in the app. After that in the menu, we have the Spo2 monitoring, and here as well, the data is fairly accurate. After that we have the sports modes, and in total, you get 123 sports modes in this watch, and they're also neatly categorized. You can also add the sports mode of your choice from the plus button at the bottom. After the sports modes, we have the exercise records, which will show you the history of your workouts. And then we have the weather, and here you can see the current weather conditions along with the weather forecast. After that we have the shutter to remotely capture photos from your phone, but it doesn't work with the native camera app. After that we have the player, and here you can control the music playing on your phone, but there is one issue here that by default the watch will play the music, but if you turn off the media audio under Bluetooth settings, for some reason the calling function stops working. So that is a glitch which can be easily fixed with an OTA update. Now coming back to the main menu, then we have the alarm, timer with some preset timers, period tracking for females, calculator, and then we have the flashlight. You also have a game here which is 2048, and I find it a good time killer. And then finally we have the settings. So in these settings, first we have the display options, and here we have the screen on time, menu style, brightness, and about the brightness, I find the brightness of this watch good, and you get 500 nits brightness. After that we have the watch faces, and then in the settings we have the vibration and ringtone settings, low power mode, theater mode, phone call toggle button, and then we have the always on display, and here you can select the analog and digital watch face. But guys, there is also one issue here. So when you turn on the always on display, for some reason the raise to wake stopped working, and also we don't have the double tap to wake up the screen option. One more issue I found, that when you enable the AOD and try to wake up the screen with the crown, the response is quite slow. But again, this can be also fixed with a software update. Now coming back to the settings, then we have the Find Phone, System, where you have the usual power off, reset, and the restart option. So that's all the features we get in this watch, and guys, I can say the features we get in this watch are good, and also the look and feel of this smartwatch on the hand is indeed very good. And now about the companion app DFIT, we have shown most of it in the previous Fireboltt Gladiator video, so I'll be just showing you the main features. So this is the home page, and here you can see your fitness data, and here in the settings we have the watch face store, and you get a lot of cloud-based watch faces. And also, we do get a custom watch face support in this smartwatch. Then in the settings we have the notification settings, and here you can select the apps for which you want the notification on your watch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. So you can answer or reject the call, but there is no quick reply feature. The Bluetooth calling performance is good, and the speaker is also loud. And also, the mic clarity is decent. So for calling, you will not face any issue with the watch. Similarly for the text alerts, we don't have the quick replies, and also we're missing the emoji support in this watch. After that we have the other settings, and here you can turn on the continuous heart rate monitoring, quick view for raise to wake, and some other reminders and alerts. So overall the Fireboltt Supernova is the upgraded version of the Gladiator. Both the watches are heavily inspired by Apple Watch Ultra and offers good build quality and design. In the Supernova, you're getting a much better display and detachable straps. The fitness data is accurate, and the calling performance is also good. And this watch is also very comfortable on the wrist, and you can wear this watch all day without any issue. And again, it looks quite good on the wrist. There are few issues which I've already mentioned in this video, such as raise to wake doesn't work when the AOD is enabled, and also the media audio issue. But guys, I think it can be rectified and improved easily with the future software updates. So in short, if you're looking for an Apple lookalike watch with the AMOLED display and Bluetooth calling under Rs 3500, then this watch is a very good option. And as usual, if you like this watch and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Fireboltt Supernova smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadgetgig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.